I'm back, guys, and I'm about to tell you about another Inu system that is blowing up. Okay, this is a token that I have got myself invested into. I want to share it with you, but I want to make sure, more importantly, that you are getting value from every video that we make here. So do me a favor, hit that like button already, hit the subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to dive straight into this after the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it because I enjoy it, and I want you to hear what I have to say. So let's dive straight in to what I've got today. So, guys, it's MIKAWA INU, okay? It's over at MIKAWAINU.VIP. Make sure you hit that link down below, okay? We only use trusted links on this channel. It's a digital economy with the power of technology. You can actually buy it right now, and I'm going to show you that very, very soon. Their mission is to change the world of traditional finance by creating a trusted, decentralized platform powered by artificial intelligence to analyze wealth management opportunities. Guys, what do I tell you every single day on this channel? Every time I release a video, we only bring you projects that have a very, very good purpose and are very, very trusted. So please feel comfortable when you're watching these, thinking about investing. Now, the ecosystem behind this, okay, the DEX plus Launchpad, it's an indispensable tool, decentralized finance. They have the Inu Finance as well, which is the Web3 wallet app release with cross-chain between BSC and ETH. The MIKAWA INU chain, which is optimizing transaction speed and user-friendly, and the Sniper bot. The Sniper bot is insane, guys. It's a convenient transactions, extremely fast, and low fees. Their wallet development, here's some of the features, okay? First, their wallet development. You can see just by these pictures right now how cool this is. It looks very clean, very simple, very user-friendly. It's not too confusing, so you can just get in here and do exactly what you want to do on the app. Their tokenomics, as always, we've got to go over this so you know exactly what we're getting into. The buy tax is 0%, which is fantastic. Sell tax is 2%, which is super, super low. They have a 1% on the partnership deals. Burn is 50%. The CEX is 6.5%. Pre-sale of 25%. Liquidity 12.5%. And the ecosystem and CEX listing is 5%. These tokenomics are insane. The wallet address is down here. This is going to be underneath the video somewhere. If not, hit the main website link and use this. Do not just try and type this out from this video, okay? You might get it wrong, and we don't want you losing any crypto. Now, they do get audited, so you can come on here and have a look. I'm going to click this so you see what it looks like. Takes you to this page. It's a lot of words. You might not want to read it. It might sound boring, but if you want to get into the audit, it is there for you. Just the fact that they have the audit on here makes me feel comfortable again, okay? Now, Phase 1 was the concept creation, drafting a plan, developing SAFU contracts, KYC and audit, and the fair launch on Pink Sale. Talking about that before we carry on, let's go there right now. On Pink Sale, you can see the MIKAWA INU fair launch. Now, again, you can see the audit and the KYC, which they have done, so you know they're real, and we will talk about their Twitter. But, guys, it's here. If anything is on Pink Sale, it's already been vetted. Not just by me, but by other people. People are making videos about it. People are loving this. And like it says here, okay, the pre-sale starts in 6 days, 16 hours, 11 minutes, and 30 seconds right now. Guys, it's going to be incredible, and you can actually get a 3% affiliate by doing it through Pink Launch and buying this. Connect your wallet and get involved right now. I want to say one thing again, and I keep repeating this. It says here, make sure your website is pinksale.finance. Please make sure that you are using the correct links. If you don't trust anyone, trust this channel and hit the links down below. Back to the ecosystem. Phase 2 is the marketing campaign where you're staking live coin market cap listing, CoinGecko, launch on PancakeSwap, attracting 5,000 holders through Phase 3 where you can swap exchange, go live staking program, and listing on the 3rd and 4th CEX. And then finally, Phase 4, attracting over 10,000 holders, partners, announcements, and farming programming release. There's already huge plans for this. And if you want to help make the world a better place inside of this project, simply join their community by clicking this button. What that will do is take you to their link tree, okay? And you can see their website, their Telegram, their Twitter, their announcement channel, white paper, everything like that. We're going to have a look at their Twitter right now because I do like to just vet people out on their Twitter. One tip from me. One thing I like to do is go on people's Twitters and I like to see who is following them. Usually if there's some big names, if there's some blue ticks, if there's some people following the project that are reliable, you know that this project has a bit of reliability, okay? I'm not saying go and give them $10,000 worth of crypto. I'm saying it gives it that little tick. You should have a list of things you have to tick before you invest into projects, and that should be one of them. Let's get back into the Twitter. So here we go. They've got 4,573 followers. They joined in January 2014. That's a long time ago, okay, but they were not very active. 4,500 followers right there, and you can see they're getting some very good engagement. This is really nice to see. 5.1 thousand reposts, a lot of likes on each. Now, this is a giveaway, and they give a lot of these away on their Twitter, so please, guys, do me a huge favor. Get on here, give them a follow, leave them a comment, and say you're from the channel. Give them some support. Now, if you want to look at the white paper, click the white paper at the bottom, okay? Again, if you're like me, you don't really like using a lot of words, reading a lot of things, please don't feel put off by not reading all the white paper. Know that we've got a team who's read the white paper, and we actually follow this project and do believe in it. So you could take that how you want. You could take that as I don't know what I'm talking about, or you could take it as I know what I'm talking about. It's up to you. Read the white paper if you don't believe me. Now, you can go onto their Instagram and everything else. Guys, I really like this project. So if you want to get invested into this, just do it. Okay, start building up your portfolio. Add this to your portfolio. Again, do not just put all your savings into one project that I show you. Don't go, oh, that video was so good, I really want to get invested in this project. Make sure that you've got a portfolio. Everything I show you, maybe just put 0.5% of what you would invest into it until you have 75 different projects, because who knows how good that portfolio will be in 5 years' time. Okay, if everyone got invested into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all these different projects that are really good now, back in the day, they would be in an incredible position for this bull run that's coming up. So guys, the best thing you can do is, if you have no idea how to get invested into this project, but you want to, go through the videos on this channel where we teach you everything. We show you all the projects how to get into, or just leave a comment and say, please, can you help me? And I will come and help you. Okay, guys, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.